Well, good morning, everybody. We're in a rest area here in Washington, getting ready to head out. We picked up a load of lumber from James Hardie down in Tacoma, taking it to Bend, Oregon. Not very far, but it's just Hardie board. It's nothing special. We spent the night here. One thing I don't like about this side of the coast, it is hard between the campers and all the trucks over here and the limited amount of parking for everybody. It's hard to find a place to rest up. So normally, even if I got to shut down early, I'll shut down early, just because if I keep going, I might not find a parking spot, wind up on the end of, or the side of the road somewhere sleeping, and I try to avoid that. Just took Scooter out, got the shit scared out of him. There's some dude sitting over on the bench. Walked right past him, and he's sitting over in the damn shadows. Scooter wreck seen him before I did, thank God. I might have stumbled right into him. I mean, that's how dark it was. Washington's bad. I think they got the highest homeless rate there's got to be. Washington or California, one of the two has got to have the worst rate I've ever seen. I mean, these people are just everywhere. They're off in the woods, they're on the streets, or under the bridges. They're just, when I picked up this load, I mean, I've never seen so much trash, homeless people in my life. Not concentrated like that in one place. But that's the way they like to live over here, so more power to them. Just leave me the hell alone. I know that's kind of gruff, ain't it? But it is what it is. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I mean, if that's the way you want to live, that's fine and dandy. But don't come asking for handouts, you know, when I know damn well you can get a job doing something somewhere. But we're about to head out. We're just waiting for our 10 minutes to be up here. And we're going to get this dropped off and maybe get a decent load going somewhere. I kind of like to get out of this area, but if it pays good enough, I will stay. But the cost of fuel between California and Washington and Oregon is like $1 more a gallon than you pay anyplace else, because they got all that tax on it. That's another thing I understand. They got all these taxes. They tax their people to death. It could be a reason why there's so many damn homeless. They raping their people over here. I don't know how they survive. Well, we made it. Man says pull all the way to the back. That's where they unload me. They don't make it easy on people, do they? Some of these places, I tell you. There's enough room for me to make this turn up here. It don't look like it's going to give it a shot. He made it, so I guess I can make it. A little bit tighter than what it was is all. Dude walking in that casino early this morning to drop some money. It was not even 4 o'clock. That's dedication. I'll give him that much. That's dedication. We're here at the lumber yard. Just finished tarping and unstrapping. Screw you, let it fly in here. And keep your buddy to yourself. Anyway, all I see here is that pressed particle board, you know, like for cheap furniture and stuff like that. I do see some plywood, but it looks like 90% of it's pressed particle board. Must be where IKEA gets their material to build their furniture from. I don't know. But I'm hoping to get a load, maybe some Charlotte pipe. That'd be nice, get some Charlotte pipe. Another load of Charlotte pipe. Maybe not going over to the west side so much, staying out of California and all that. Maybe going down to Denver or something. Something that pays decent. A good weekend load is what I'm hoping for, but we'll find out. But I know there's a... I ain't been there so long I forgot the name of the place. Anyway, they got metal buildings there. And we used to pull metal buildings out of there and drop off coils to them. I don't even know if we got that contract anymore. Who knows? See, he wants me to pull up. He ain't even looking at me. Must not. Well, get me unloaded. I guess what I need to do is get ready to go to the Salt Lake terminal here. I kind of don't want to go. Last time I went in there, it took me 3 hours just to get through inbound. Hey, man, that was just crazy. 3 hours just to get through it. It's got to be an emergency for me to go there. Just I'd have to be doing like a 34 or something. That's not one of the places I really like doing a 34 at. It's just, well, there's really no grass for him. They got a little bit of patch of a grass up there, but I mean, he wants to run around, get some exercise, which I don't blame him. Oh, I just got a new load. Let's see where we're going. Let's see. Charlotte pipe. All right. Let's see. Phoenix, Arizona. Ooh. Oof. Phoenix. Phoenix is hard for me to get out of. But we're going to take it. Show you what I got to go through. Let me put these trailers in here this close. Hang on, I got to turn around. I don't know if you can see that. This guy, his load done shifted over before he even got out the yard. I don't know what caused it, but I'm about to go tell him he needs to go ahead and get these guys out here on that forklift and refix it, or he's just gonna have trouble with it the whole way. Could be a new driver, who knows. I had one shift on me before, but I was far off in Kentucky, and it was just starting out. I wouldn't take that load. I'd have them come fix it, especially if some of them bands or something in there broke. Let me go talk to him. He got it done. I looked at it. I told him, man, the best bet you can do would be go in there and get one of these guys to push it back over for you. He told me that he called dispatch about that, and dispatch told him that they would have to charge him to do that. So that's why he was trying to fix it like that. But finally a guy came out of the building here and waved him down, and he went over and he fixed it for him. So I don't know, man, to charge somebody, you know, for like that's ridiculous. Getting to be so damn chicken shit. That's just a real chicken shit move. That's what I feel. This is what we got. It was an awful high load. If you can see, I had to use every one on the 4-inch ratchets. Both of my pocket winches there. So I used 5 4-inch ratchets. Already got pipes sticking out. You have to watch that. I just have to keep my eye on it. But the load was so tall, by the time my straps came down, they was only hanging about right here, and they wouldn't fit into these winches. So when I ran out of 4-inch ratchets, I had to revert to 2-inch ratchets, which I spaced them out so they wouldn't take so big heavy blunt of the load, but still be there to give me some support. Like the man said, for us to turn around here and center ourselves up. That's what we're about to do.